everybody, so I am back. It has been about 2 days since I spun out 6 frames of honey syrup out of my hive to make more room for my queen to lay, and now I'm going to follow up and do a Mite-Away Quick Strip treatment, which is to treat for varroa. So when I did my little hive inspection with Li Ying, we spotted 3 varroa mites, and that's about the threshold of treating for mites. So mites is the big thing that you have to kind of keep abreast of when you're keeping bees, because they weaken the bees, and going into winter they may not survive if they've got a high mite load. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to check on the frames that I added to see what the bees have done, and then just quickly place a Mite-Away Quick Strip, which is formic acid, in between the 2 brood boxes. I'm going to put in a shim, which is this little thing right here, and give them a little bit more space. And the thing with Mite-Away Quick Strips is you have to use them within a certain temperature. If it gets too hot, then the formic acid fumes become too great and you can lose more bees, and you can also lose your queen. So for the next week we have pretty mild temperatures, not going above 85, so this is the time to treat. Also, with Mite-Away Quick Strips, you can keep your honey supers on as well. It doesn't affect the honey at all, which is a good thing. So I hate to do this to the bees. It's kind of hard on the bees, but a lot of people have had a lot of success with them. And you have to treat for mites, especially if you're living in an urban or suburban area. You just have to treat for the mites, because if you're not treating, because you're gonna get varroa mites. Because of the communal nature that bees are, you're going to get them from somebody else, and you must treat. Okay, so here we are. There are the ladies. I've got my smoker going here, and yeah, let's go ahead and do this. So the way Mite-Away Quick Strips work is it's formic acid, and it's in the form of a gas. So I'm going to have to remove my robber screen there. We want full ventilation, so I'm going to have to take that off. And then between those 2 boxes there is where I'm going to put the actual strip. I'm actually going to do a half dose. I'm not going to do a full treatment because this is a hive that just started this year, so relatively newly established hive. So half treatment. A few days ago, and we'll scrape off some of this frosting here. Mite-Away Quick Strip. Have it stored in the freezer. I'm going to do a half dose. So I'm going to cut this. Next, shim. Out of here, and put this back up. next? That is so heavy. Girls have been busy. Okay. Next. Please, sir. And that's it. Alright, so that's it. I put in the strips. So I'll come back in a week, take the strip out, and hopefully we'll have killed a lot of mites. Alright, see ya. Bye!